Morning. Morning, guys. Can everyone hear me and see me? On the Discord, on YouTube? Is everything working? Let's see. Morning. Yes? Awesome. Morning, so, guys. Let's be honest. Today is not a day to be trading. We have, where is it? Data coming up at 9:45, at 10. We have FOMC at 2. So if you don't want to lose money, don't trade today. That's it. Very simple. Don't trade today. If you wanna do some YOLO, so you feel like you need to trade, welcome to the club. We have FOMC at 2. YOLO. If you don't wanna lose money, so don't trade. Today's a perfect day to be like Desi and be at the beach or in Costa Rica. I don't know where he is at, but yeah. So welcome to the club. For anyone that's new, hello, my name is Andrea, more known as ADR. So perfect day to be like this. Okay, so let's see. Or in Costa Rica, I don't know where he is at. So we're gonna be together today. Yeah. So welcome to the club. This is the link for the YouTube stream, more known as ADR. So perfect day to be yeah, I couldn't trade on Monday and Tuesday because I'm dealing with a lower back injury. So I'm here because I'm high on painkillers. Only for that. Only because of that. Because I cannot be seated too much, or I cannot do anything pretty much. Like a 90-year-old lady. So I'm here because I'm high on walking and painkillers are working. Only because of that. Because I cannot be seated too much. Okay, what I'm looking to not trade today. I shouldn't be looking to trade anything, but I'm only looking for SPY, Q, and Tesla, and all three it's pretty much the same plan. Waiting for a bounce and rejection of yesterday's low, or if any of those three lose pre-market low. Pretty simple. Looking for SPY, Echo, and Tesla. Sorry. Yeah. Should be no Echo now. Yeah. Yeah. So Echo on the stream is fixed now. I'm holding some Tesla puts for next week. It's kind of YOLO. But I'm looking for Tesla to fill that entire big gap. Yeah, I got those pads. And also I went to the ER yesterday and I got 2 shots, one for inflation, like to reduce and for pain. Inflammation, yeah. Inflation, yeah, inflammation. And for pain also. But yeah, let's see how's the market gonna act today. I'm not expecting anything. So we have PMI at 945. We are also at 10. We have job openings at 10 also. We have crude oil inventories at 10:30. We have FOMC at 2. So when are we gonna be able to trade today? So and we have earnings after. This old one. So today, if you're gonna trade anything, it needs to be like quick scalps. No holding hopes. And also the market is not it's not for swing trading or anything like that. It's been so choppy. No clear direction. I missed my swing trades. Okay, so let's start. Let's see. We have 2 more minutes to open. Um, Beautiful pre-market 4.99 SPY bounce. Everything's bouncing a little bit. Let's see if we're gonna have a yesterday's low reaction. That's what I want to play on SPY in the queue. Oh, by the way, when I'm saying I'm taking anything on SPY in the queue, what I'm doing is I'm taking those with futures contracts. I don't play options on SPY in the queue unless I'm looking to swing trade. Yeah, I'm walking on a treadmill. Yes, I'm walking on my walking pad. Let's see, what are you guys looking for today? Any good setups besides Tesla? MU, Meta, AMD, Coin. You're looking for all in? Yeah, I'm probably just gonna look for trades on the Q or SPY. I mean, futures. ES and NQ. But we'll see. Watching Tesla yesterday's low. Or a Monday low. Google still has a gap to fill till 158, but it has a lot of support at 161. IWM, let's see IWM. Oh yeah, IWM, I will say 195.60, something like that, or 195.70. But it looks pretty strong. It's holding yesterday's low, so it can be a good bounce play there on IWM. But I think I'm gonna wait till 10 maybe to trade anything. That's awesome. Take your profits and leave. That was a good AMD trade. Okay, so we have Nvidia being weak, Google being weak, Apple rejecting the VWAP, We have an IWM flying. And the Q trying to hold 423. SPY watching. I'm here watching SPY. How it's gonna react to yesterday's low. I think that's what I want to play. Today we should have a lot of patience, waiting for good setups. I don't trade gold. Nvidia is crazy weak. I honestly don't want to see the Q dying here. I wanted to see everything like bouncing and going for yesterday's low. And I trade NQ, RTY, and ES on futures. Yeah, the Dow is going SPY, it's moving higher. Yes, I'm on a walking pad. Trading and doing my over 10K steps for the day. Morning, Jesse. Ooh, that's your entry on Tesla. So the reaction of yesterday's low, 183. As long as Tesla it's under 183, that's your entry. I'm not gonna take it because I'm already in Tesla puts for next week. It's a little bit YOLO because obviously we have no idea what's gonna happen with Powell, but it's a very small position. I only have 5 contracts. Okay, I like that move on SPY. Nvidia trying to hold a 40. That's support there. T with Powell. No, nothing. Also, that is not what I would like to do. I would prefer to have tea with Nancy. So we can have a little chat about trading Nvidia. If you want to short Tesla, yes, that's your entry. It's rejecting yesterday's low. Let's see, who's trading today? How many hands we have here? FOMC, yeah, we have FOMC today at 2. Yeah. Better to wait and see what's gonna happen here. Maybe at 10? I'm waiting for SPY to test yesterday's low. But I feel like nothing is really moving. Well, no, Apple. Apple is moving. Tesla still having trouble at yesterday's low. Gonna put some music. You know what? I'm gonna take a little stop on Tesla. My stop loss is gonna be 186. I took the 180 puts weekly. I only took one there. One. Weekly. Two weekly. Like I said at the beginning, today is not a day to look for a big move or to hold your position for too long. Today's on a scalp. It's at a scalper heaven. I like those reaction of 184 on Tesla. Watch Apple, how it's gonna react to yesterday's low. Microsoft is holding pretty good, 390. R2Y is doing nothing so far. We have a clear rejection, but it's holding support, it's holding 196 and it's holding the VWAP. The Q holding pretty good, but it's doing nothing. So far we have nothing. I guess let's wait for the 9:45 data and 10. That 840 hold on Nvidia was beautiful. Yeah, you do have like 20 seconds delayed. Yeah, SPY is very, very, very weak. But we have 1 minute till data. So we have SPY being weak and the Q holding so far. Oh, and I'm trading today with 10 PAs. I'm not gonna trade that futures. I'm not gonna trade with a 10 account challenge today because, as you guys know, today is a very risky day to trade. Yep, today is the worst day you can trade. Like, even if we have like a clean move, it is still very risky. We have too much data and we have Powell. We have Nvidia holding. Microsoft and Nvidia looks pretty much identical. They're both pretty much the same right now. We have Apple fighting yesterday's low. Google is not doing much. And Tesla is looking weak, but it's not moving. Yeah, we just got data, but nothing happened. I kind of like that Q hold. I just don't like going against SPY because SPY is looking pretty weak. Nvidia has a gap till 863 around there. That's yesterday's low, so it could move up higher and fill that gap, but it's having a lot of trouble at pre-market high. AMD also has a huge gap above I kind of want to see AMD holding 161, 151. That could make AMD move higher and go for the gap. But we need the Q to move. Yeah, AMD is rejecting 150. So that data did nothing. The market is not even moving. If the QQQ loses a VWAP, I'm gonna go short there. Yeah, I'm going short there. The Q kind of looks like a bear flag. This is what I'm looking on the Q. I want to see rejections at 423. Yeah, maybe can go higher and retest pre-market high. But so far it keeps rejecting 423 and SPA is looking pretty weak. So for this short to work out, I think we need Nvidia to lose 844, 840. but I like how the Q keeps rejecting 423, 423.20. Let's see. If I see a strong move to the upside on SPY and a strong hold of 423, I'm getting out. But again, anything that we trade today is very risky. Okay, I like that reaction. Come on down. We want to see the Q now breaking that morning low. SPY pretty weak. SPY couldn't even retest yesterday's low. It got to very close there, but it didn't. Why it's risky today? Because we have a bunch of data and Powell. Apple keeps rejecting yesterday's low. Tesla looking kind of strong. We have 4 minutes till data. Okay, I'm all $1,000. I'm gonna start selling a little bit. Okay, I'm taking a little bit more profits there. A little bit more. I'm taking one more and leaving one runner. That bear flag was beautiful. Three minutes till data and we are already dying here. That's beautiful. Perfect bear flag. Let's see if the Q is gonna lose 422. Ooh, Nvidia dying. That what's moving the Q. I'm all out. Over 1K there. I think that's pretty good for me for today. I got over 1100. And Tesla keeps rejecting 184. Keeps rejecting yesterday's low. But again, we have data coming up in 2 minutes, so let's wait. You're long SPY? Okay, so this is trading one-on-one. If you want to long something, you want to go with the strongest one, not with the weakest one. So in case you want to long something, go with the Q or Tesla. Those were looking a little bit stronger than SPY. SPY is the weakest one. But I don't think we should go long on anything, because we have a bearish engulfing candle yesterday. Completely changed the trend. So if you want to trade anything, like for me, the plan is waiting for bounces and play those rejections, because the market is on a downtrend. Okay, so it looks like data wasn't too good. Okay, I want to see the Q under 422. Microsoft is not even moving, but it's looking weak. Apple keeps holding, Google keeps holding, Nvidia is the one that is looking pretty weak. Yeah, like when we have candles like that with data or any news, we need to wait until the market really show you what's the trend that it's gonna take. So far, we have, obviously it looks more bearish than bullish, but it's holding, so we have no clear direction here. We have Apple breaking out, we have Microsoft holding, we have Nvidia being very weak, Tesla is doing nothing, Google is holding, kind of looks like it wants to bounce, and SPY is weak, but it's still holding under the VWAP, and the Q keeps holding 422, so we have nothing so far. So Tesla keeps rejecting yesterday's low. So as long as Tesla keeps doing that, that's pretty bearish. And Nvidia needs to lose 840. Apple is very strong. Yeah, 168 is the level that I'm looking Google maybe to retest. 168. Okay, what's Meta doing? Meta was holding very good yesterday. So, yeah. Meta on the daily looks like a bull flag. Looks pretty good. Like Meta is one that I want to swing trade, but obviously not today. So I don't want Meta to do anything. I want Meta to just keep holding 427 or above 426, and if can consolidate for a little bit there, that will be maybe a very good swing trade. But again, not today. That's why I don't want Meta today to move today, because I don't want to miss that play. Come on, Tessie, go for the gap. Just die already. Tesla, Netflix, and Coin, they move. They do their own thing. Sometimes they move with the market, but most of the time they do their own thing. That's why for a lot of people it's so difficult to trade those three, any of those three, especially Netflix and Coin, because both are expensive. Netflix sometimes can be very choppy, and with a 600 contract, you lose like 300 very fast. $4.99 is the next support on SPY. You want to see Nvidia reacting here or 840? Under 180? The A plus era was the rejection of yesterday's low. So anytime Tesla went for 180 and show you like wicks there, that's a strong reaction. Wicks are strong reactions, so that was your entry. If only Tesla could fill that gap today, that would be so beautiful. Google going. AMD rejecting 150. I don't like AMD today. Like, it's too, like, what it is right now, it has 150 or 151. That's very close. It's very close from resistance, and it's very close from support. So it's in the middle of a very small range. I don't like AMD today. That's not worth it. But I love Tesla. Okay, that's a strong move on SPY. I kind of want to see a SPY moving higher and retest yesterday's low, and because I want to play that reaction. And for Google, I'm looking at 168. If Google can hold 168 support, that's pretty bullish. And SPY is holding in the middle of nowhere. Nvidia rejecting 480. I'm sorry, 880. I hate trading MU. Like MU, Snap, and BA. Those three are on my no, don't even touch list. And for MU, it's clearly rejecting a little bit above one, like that morning low under 112.50. But I don't like shorting anything that is so close to the gap above. It's like MU, it's been doing a bear flag for like 1 week, or no, 2 weeks. If MU goes higher and rejects yesterday's low, that could be your entry. I would prefer to see MU filling that little gap. Oh yeah, the Q is being weak. Hola. I like that reaction on SPY. SPY keeps rejecting 501. I just don't love how it has no continuation. Okay, the Q pretty weak, but I think it's too late to enter here. I kind of want to see a bounce. I don't know if I'm gonna have it because Nvidia is just dying. But I'm not gonna lie, MU looks pretty weak. But I'm not gonna take that one. I'm not gonna take that trade. Look at Tessie. Tessie looks beautiful. We have the perfect entry at that 184 reaction. If Tesla loses today's low, it's done so. It's gonna boom boom to the downside. Okay, keep going, Tessie. Keep going. Keep going, Tessie. I'm taking a little bit of profits here on Tesla, just in case. We lost morning low, which is beautiful. It's perfect. It's what we want to see. That was a perfect trade on Tesla. Anyone took it with me? That was perfect. Yesterday's low rejection. Little bit. That's funny. Come on, Tesla, keep going. Keep going. I want to see Tesla at 172. That's my next support on Tesla, and then around 169, that's the gap fill. Tesla plan was very easy. not getting out unless it breaks 184. And then lost morning low. Now we want to see that lower rejecting. Let's see. Spy puts. I don't like where spy is right now, so I will play the downside if spy goes back above today's high, which is, I want to see a spy at 502 and rejecting there. That will be the perfect entry to play spy. What do I think about Apple's trade? Nothing. There's nothing we can do there. And Apple has I think Apple has earnings today, right? When it's Apple's earnings, so not much. It just broke yesterday's low. So far, it's holding there. Yeah. Tomorrow, yeah, I'm not gonna trade Apple. But that is something that is going against, if you're on puts, that is something that is going against SPY in the queue. Yeah, of course, Apple move to the upside is affecting SPY in the queue. If you see how SPY in the queue are holding kind of better than Nvidia, it's because we have Microsoft holding, Apple going higher, and Google kind of looking bullish. Well, we had two amazing trades today, one with the Q, now with Tesla, and I think we don't need anything else. Unless I see a clear bounce on SPY to yesterday's low, that will be my next trade. Yeah, Tesla bouncing. We want to see it rejecting morning low. And we have the Q fighting 422. Google reaction, yeah, it looks like it's rejecting. I would not go for it. Google short. I will wait. If you want to short anything, go with something that is very weak. 1 second, guys. I have a call. Okay. Come on, Tesla react there. I wanna see Tesla reacting here. SPY rejecting the VWAP there. And it looks like the Q is rejecting 422. That looks like another bear flag on the Q. I don't really see a key level on Google at 167. For me, it's more 168, but yeah, it could react there. But again, I would not look to short Google because it's one of the strongest right now and kind of spying the Q, kind of holding. So if you want to short anything, wait for spying the Q to go higher and reject any key levels. Yeah, Tesla could be doing a bear flag. Oops. If you're trading from your toilet, that's a massive FOMO. On an FOMC day. That's funny. That's too much info. Look at Apple. Why is Apple so strong? Maybe somebody knows something. Maybe. so nothing is moving as like we need, like I guess that was expected, right? Kinda eyeing this bear flag here on the Q. I would like to see the VWAP going a little bit lower so it can reject, so the Q can reject there. Spy loans if you want to lose money. This bear flag on the Q is kind of tempting me. But I want the Q to bounce a little bit more and show me a clear rejection of 422.50. And I also want to see Nvidia going a little bit higher and reject 840 again. That will be a beautiful entry to play rejections on the Q. If you made any money today, congrats, you're done. Doesn't matter if it is 50, 5, or 20, or 2K. Whatever it is, be happy and enjoy the rest of your day. Don't trade more. It's not hard. Like, I mean, like when you really trade, like when you're a real trader, trading should be boring. Like, trading is mostly waiting for your setups to play it out. Look at that move on the Q. Okay, let's see if the Q is gonna react the view up here, 422.50. Look at that move. Again, Nvidia reacting 840. I want Nvidia to go a little bit higher, just a tiny bit higher. apple is looking weak now. Ooh. That's an ugly reaction there on spine the Q. Keeps bouncing and holding, but giving us long wicks at the top. Boring day. If Microsoft breaks 394 and hold it as support, that thing is gonna boom boom. Algo reactions? I don't believe on that. Like, that's why you wanna know about that. That's it doesn't really affect your trade. That's something that people say when the day is choppy. Like, it is expected to be choppy. Like, algos, market makers, doesn't matter. You just trade good setups. I see, like, every time I see people talking about market makers and algos, it's like, doesn't matter. That doesn't matter at all. I see it like a conspiracy theory, honestly. I'll go out with you. That's funny. No, I didn't say anything about algos. I never talk about that. Like, I never see, like, yeah, algos are excuses. Maybe, I think I said something else and you took it as I said algos, because I never talk about algos or market makers. Unless I'm making fun of somebody talking about those two. No, I'm not all out on Tesla. I have runners for next week that I bought yesterday. Those are very good. Like, I'm up a lot with those contracts. I took a little bit profit on those ones, and I also took a little bit profits on the weeklies that I entered today. But I'm still holding. Like, Tesla is still rejecting morning low. Yeah, this Q is kind of tempting me here. Let's see if Nvidia is gonna go higher and reject the VWAP. I'm looking at maybe entering the Q for short. The thing is, I don't like that Microsoft is holding so good, because I feel Microsoft could boom boom anytime, and that's gonna mess up my Q short. But yeah, so far the Q looks like a very clean bear flag, rejecting the VWAP. Boom boom is up, yes. But again, for Microsoft to boom boom needs to break 394 and use it as support. Here goes the queue. Microsoft is moving the queue. And Nvidia also. No, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I think I'm the only one that said boom boom, right? Carol G. On what song? But she's not a trader. I'm buying on crypto. I'm buying the Trump token. I really like that Trump token. I think it can really boom boom. That one can really boom boom. Maybe goes a little bit lower to 4. Is it 4? Let me check the chart. I posted here on the Discord. I post that chart. Yeah. So even 3.50 can go to 3.50, and I still think that's a good buy, because I think Mr. Trump might win the elections. So I'm buying the dip there. It's called MAGA. Yeah, maybe, but so it's like buying this token is like buying before good earnings, right? You want to buy the dip and then you hold, and then right before elections you sell a little bit, then when he wins you sell a lot, and then maybe you hold some runners there. Is this one. That was a beautiful reaction on Tesla. Beautiful. Tesla looking so good. I told you guys yesterday, Tesla, I have never seen Tesla not playing out a head and shoulder. Like, I don't play head and shoulders, but I noticed that on Tesla, every time I see a head and shoulder, that thing always goes lower. Always. Well, yeah, so far Tesla looks pretty weak. Yeah, Trump has a token, yeah. I posted that Head and Shoulder yesterday on Tesla. That's why I got in on a few contracts yesterday. Oh yeah, 394 on Microsoft. If Microsoft holds 394, like I said before, that thing is gonna boom boom. And of course, it's gonna move SPY in the queue higher. Q423. Yeah, maybe, but I will not go short if I don't know. It's kind of tricky right now. Like it broke the VWAP, broke that 422.50 resistance. It's holding. We see Nvidia kind of trying to hold the VWAP. We see Google, Microsoft so far being thrown above 394. So I don't have any confirmation to play the reaction there. That's at least how I see it. Obviously, you guys do you. Microsoft and Google, Apple and Google look exactly the same. Both keep going higher, but with weak candlesticks. Let's see how's the volume there. If it keeps going higher with low volume, that's bearish. Kinda, yes. You can buy that coin on Coinbase. I got it. I had Pancake token, so I did the switch. But I think you can buy it on Coinbase. how much attention I give to pre-market high and low. At the beginning of the day, when the market opened, and pretty much all I see with my daily levels. After, it doesn't matter too much, because after a while with the market open, you already have another intraday levels that are more important. So it depends. So like right now, let's like the cute one example to know how to use pre-market level. So we can see clearly that QQQ rejected pre-market high here at 423.50 when the market opened, and now it's moving higher. So now we need to see if the Q is really gonna break that level. It's not on Coinbase. I don't know. I did a swap with pancake coins that I had. Of course, as always, you guys do your own research. That coin could go to zero if something happened to Trump. How do we analyze any level? You just wait and see how it's gonna react there. You have that answer looking at the candlesticks. That's all I do. I have my levels and I wait and see what's the message with the candlesticks. Yeah, ugly PA, but again, that's expected, right? Okay, so Nvidia, beautiful reaction of the VWAP. Meta, let's see what Meta's doing. I don't know if that's a, yeah. So what I'm looking at Meta is it has a daily bull flag, like it has a bull flag on the daily, but I honestly don't like trading options on days like today. I took Tesla, but it was very small position. I took most of my profits, and most likely I'll be out on the weeklies. So now I'm waiting and see. I'll be looking at to maybe play a reaction on the Q morning high. That's pre-market high. But the main one that I'm looking at is 502 on SPY. That's the trade that I really wanna play. Do we have bond auction today also? In 40? Okay. So yeah, that could be where we wait and see the reaction of the market at key levels. Oh, so we have it at... Oh, that's Central Time, right? I was so confused. That was a beautiful, perfect 844 reaction on Nvidia. Like, I don't know if you guys feel this, but I feel like last month was so bad. It was so difficult to trade. So difficult. I was exhausted mentally. You feel like every morning? Oh, no. But I must say that I'm very happy that I bought the dip on Tesla. I bought a lot of shares at 150, around 150, and 140s on the 40s also. So I'm pretty happy with that. It was very difficult for me because we were used to the market moving differently, because now, like last month, and I still kind of now too, but the market wasn't doing anything for like the first 1 hour. So pretty much chop you around the entire morning, which is when I trade, and then kind of give you like a small range setups that it was cool to trade if you're a scalper, right? Apple keeps going higher and higher, and Microsoft keeps holding 394. I don't like that 24-hour trading thing that people trying to do now. I like the market closing at 4. But that's gonna be pretty good for brokers, because I know a lot of people are gonna be trading all day and paying those fees and losing money, most likely. But that's gonna mess up our swings if we swing trade, because I love swing trading. That is not gonna be good for me. SPY looks like inverse head and shoulder on the 5-minute time frame. You want pre-market options? Yeah, pre-market options, I will like that, especially when you have like pre-market gaps and we're swing trading, so we can take profit before it dies down. Tesla looks like a head and shoulder also. Google finally kind of breaking down, maybe going for the VWAP. The Q is having a lot of trouble at 423. The Q has, oh, it has a little gap above. Yeah, it's like $1 gap. All what Tesla is doing is eating your premium. I watch the 5-minute charts. I don't watch anything under 5. Sometimes I play a little bit around with the 3 minutes, but I like the 5. Okay, so I'm looking to play the upside on the Q if breaks pre-market high. A morning high, and that level act as support. This is what I'm looking here. The Q has a gap above till yesterday's low. Yeah, I prefer to wait until the candles close, or maybe a few seconds before the candle closes. Ooh, I did 4K already. I'm gonna do, 4 miles. I'm gonna go for 2 more miles. Yeah, I do trade ES and NQ watching QQQ and SPY. Yeah, walking and trading is awesome. Yeah, I know. Like, I know for a lot of people it's very weird that I trade futures, not watching futures at all. But it works for me. It works very good. I've tried trading based on the chart on ES and NQ charts. I don't like it. I don't like how the ranges are so big that it can take you out, like stop you out like very fast. I don't know, it's easier for me to trade futures with SPY and the Q levels. I started trading futures on September, and since the beginning I use Trade-O-Bait. It's the only one that I use, only one that I tried. So I don't know how the other brokers work. What was that? What happened there? That was a weird candle, especially on the Q. Yeah, I took two, one Q on futures and one Tesla puts. No, because I don't check charts on Trade-O-Bait. So also, I don't use any indicators on my trading view charts other than the VWAP. I don't like using indicators. I don't use anything else. You don't need indicators. You just need killing it. You just need to be very good at charting, like looking for the important levels on the charts. And I think being good, having really good levels and understanding how to read the candlesticks. That's all you need. So I'm gonna wait until 11:30. If I don't see anything, I'm getting out. If I don't see any setup that is worth it, I'm out. How did I learn how to trade? I will say practicing a lot and losing a lot of money. It is crazy. crazy week. Anybody took that Nvidia VWAP reaction? That was a beautiful VWAP reaction with 844 and bear flag. That was a perfect setup. A+ setup. I honestly don't know. I don't know what's my success rate. The only thing that I know is that my accountant was like, I don't know, you need to do something. We need to do something to lower those profits. Especially last year, since I started doing futures, my profit went way higher than before. Lambo. I don't like fast cars. No, okay. Let's go back. I don't care about cars. Like, I can drive an old car and I have no problem with that. What was the main difference with futures? I will say that I'm able to trade 20 accounts at the same time. So if you have 20 accounts and you only make $100 daily, you have 40K at the end of the month. And it's very easy to make $100 per account daily. So obviously you're gonna have some days that you lose, and you're gonna have some days that your profits are way higher than 100. But on average, if you have 100 on a month, you make 40K with 20 accounts. Like right now, I traded with 10 accounts and I only got 113 per account, but that's over $1,000. No, it's not about restriction. It's about lowering the risk on each account. So I trade with a prop firm. So all prop firms have rules, right? And they have certain amount that you cannot go lower. So it's not the same. Like, I traded with like 6 micros on each account. So that's 60 contracts. That is 60 contracts on one account is not the same as 60 contracts on 10 accounts. So your risk, it's like your risk is spread on all 20 accounts. How do I put those trades? Very easy. You trade with groups on Trade08. 1 click buys for all 20 accounts, 1 click sells for all 20 accounts. You don't see the difference? What do you mean? Okay, so let's just say you have a stop loss limit. So you can, let's just say you cannot go under 2K per account. If you go under 2K, you're gonna lose that account. It's not the same trading 10 contracts on one account than trading one contract per account, because it's gonna be very difficult to go under 2K on each account if you're only trading one contract. If you're trading 10 contracts or 20 contracts on one account, you're gonna go under 2K very fast and lose that account. It is so good trading with prop firms. Like, you don't risk, like, one account is only like $37, let's just say $38, and everything that you make up to 25K is yours 100%. Then it's 90-10. You keep 90%, they take 10% of your profits. I was so close to play that 423 reaction, but I decided to wait. Tesla's looking pretty weak again. No, I haven't. I haven't been offered a live account. You don't qualify, you just go and buy, just go and click the link that I have above on the chat, or you have another link down on the description. That's for YouTube people. You don't have to qualify, you just buy a evaluation account, you pass it, move on to a PA, and then that's it. You start making money. You can link everything up to 20 accounts. Can be a mix of PAs, evals, however you want. Like right now I have 4 different groups that I trade at the same time. Like I have a few with 5, another one with 10, another one with 20. You can intertwine those PAs and evals however you want. Up to 20. Tesla looking beautiful. Yeah, being patient. Understanding that just because the market is moving doesn't mean you have a good trade. Possible good trade setup is very important. Understanding that days like today's are days that you should not be trading. Also understanding that there's always gonna be another good trade on the next few days, months, maybe years. But we're always gonna have another opportunity if you don't blow up your account. Tala boots. Like being patient is very important. Like right now, it may be boring because I'm not taking anything. I took one contract, one trade with futures and one trade with options, and that's it. So far, I don't see anything that I love. So I've been walking here and talking with you guys for like 2 hours without doing anything, like 1 hour. customer service, pretty good. I never had any problem with them. So Apex is the prop firm. The broker is Trade of 8. Okay, so this is the link for the, if you want to see me or see my charts, trading live there. That was so beautiful. NVIDIA 844 reaction. That was perfection. That level at the beginning, like at the beginning of the day, was support, then acted as resistance. Beautiful. Oh yeah, oh shoot, I missed this one. I was waiting for AMD to break that 145 low. 146, more like 146. Dang it. Next support on AMD are 142, but the main one is 140. Too late for that. Okay, let's see if the Q is gonna break today's low. If we see a break and retest there, that's our entry. The market is finally moving. Okay, that's our break. Let's see if this 5-minute candle is really gonna close under that low. Oh yeah. So we have a bill auction at what time? 10:30? Oh, 10:30 Central. Yes, I'm walking. Yes. This is all NVIDIA. But everything is looking weak also. NVIDIA on their 824 is extremely bearish. And I missed this move. I was looking for 423 on the cure. And I almost got in on that bunch of rejection candles, and I decided to not do it and look this move. Come on, Tessie, just die already. Beautiful, beautiful Tesla. I'm gonna sell one more just in case. I'm starving. Ooh, I have a protein bar. Let's do a protein bar review. I'll be back. 1 second. Okay, so I have 2 protein bars from Barbells. Two. I have the, where is it? Where's the flavor? Oh, caramel cashew and the cookies and cream. You guys pick which one I'm gonna eat today and review. I think I like more the caramel one more than the cookies and cream, but I'll eat whatever you guys want me to try it on today. Yeah, I do like 15, between 12 and 15k steps daily. The one I prefer, so I'm gonna try the caramel one. Okay, so caramel cashew is this one. It's 200 calories, 8 grams of fat, 18 grams of carbs, 1 gram of sugar, 20 grams of protein. Look at Microsoft, boom boom, that was beautiful. It was flagging at 394. That was perfection. Anyone took that? That was perfect. Okay, this is how it looks. Yummy. It's very, very good. Chewy. I love that it's chewy. And you can definitely taste the caramel. And on the top, we have like cashew pieces. Kind of a little bit crunchy. I love it. It's very good. Yeah, Google kind of looks also like it wants to boom boom. How many steps do I need per day? I don't know. I kind of do whatever I feel. How much protein I need per day? At least 130. Between 128 grams and 130. Because I weighed, I think I'm between 127 and 128 pounds. Hey, welcome, Jesse. I'm from Venezuela. I know everyone that wakes up at Pacific time. I'm sorry for you. You gotta wake up like at 5 a.m. or something like that. I think I'm not a morning person, so I think I'll be waiting to trade for the afternoon session. 3:30? That's insane. No, I get my protein mostly by eating animal protein. This bar was so good. Super yummy. What's the difference between rhythmic and static? You have that info there. Static, it means your stop loss doesn't move. Is the barbells brand or barbells brand. I use the 50k and 100. I like more the 100k Trade-O-Bait account. Look at Google. I hope you guys The ones that I really wanted, I saw so many people wanting to short Google. One of the strongest stocks today. I hope you guys are out. But still needs to break 167.50. But only futures, guys. Only futures. The mini is NQ and ES. The micros are the NQ and MES. Okay guys, it's 11:30. Nothing really is happening. So I think I'm done. Like, I'm pretty happy with the 2 trades that I took today. Like, I don't know, like, we have nothing so far. The A+ setups today was the morning reaction on the Q, that pre-market high reaction, and Nvidia A184 reaction, and Nvidia 844 reaction. Those were the plays. Yeah, no problem. So if you guys have any more questions, go ahead. I'm out. See you in WoW. Apex. I use Apex. Okay, so I'm out. Pretty happy with my 2 trades. Very clean. We were very, very patient. I'll see you guys mañana on the stream, and you guys will hear me on Vincenzo's Discord. Thank you guys for being so nice today and for liking the video and subscribing.